So in this Canadian investing tutorial, I will be showing you how to buy stocks in your TFSA here in Canada using Wealthsimple. So once Wealthsimple is opened up, I want you guys to go to the bottom bar here and select the magnifying glass. Then go to the search bar at the top and either type in a stock that you want to buy, or you can go to all categories right here, which I will do. And let's just say you wanted to invest in, I'm not sure, what's a good example here? How about um, what's a good example? How about oil and gas as an example? We'll then go to Canadian traded right here. And let's just say we wanted to use Enbridge as an example. I will select Enbridge. So once your stock is selected, go to the bottom left and where it says select an account, that is where you're going to be selecting your TFSA or your tax-free savings account. Once that is done, go to the bottom right, press buy. Now on this page right here, you can go to the top right and select which order type you want. So there's market, limit, stop market, and recurring. I'll just keep it at market for this example, and I will do a fractional share. So if you wanted to do $1, it'll then show you how much shares that is. And if this looks good, press on review. Then once you're on this page right here, you can review the order. So make sure that when it says the account, your TFSA or your tax-free savings account is selected. And if this looks good and you want to proceed, go to the bottom, press for me where it says queue order, or if the market's open, you can buy the stock to complete the transaction inside of your TFSA that way. So that's how you guys can buy stocks in your TFSA or your tax-free savings account here in Canada using Wealthsimple. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.